Okay guys, so I don't know what happened to me yesterday. Like I died and came back alive. So I have been pulling seaweed out of my hair all morning. Hey!
I'm recording video right now and then I'll get a picture. Okay, you want me to snap a picture? Yeah. Are you getting it? Yes, it's recording. Oh! We are way too fucking drunk for this shit. Oh my gosh. Somebody save us.
It's 7 a.m. I'm about to go on the excursion. We're going to the Scape Park today. I hope I was not supposed to print out my ticket because I didn't. If I need to print it out, let's see. I guess I feel like they should have a code or something, right? My nose is so stuffy. I need more Kleenex. I'm just gonna bring the whole thing of Kleenex. Oh, I can't take it out. Ugh, what a day. Maybe I could stop by the store and see if they have something, because this is no way to live life, huns. It's just not. Okay. I'm tired. And I'm glad it's the last day. I'm ready to go home. Walking down where? Okay. I'm ready to go home. I hurt my knee somehow. And so I'm just in pain right now. Like, who wants to be in pain on vacation or discomfort? I think, it is foggy. Gosh. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later because it's so foggy. On the base, I have not been around so many directionally challenged people before in my life. Ola went to a whole nother resort. And she's just supposed to take 20 steps to the front lobby so we can get on this bus. And she was at the neighboring resort. How she followed the signs to Dream.
This way, baby. Just walk this way.
And she saw Dream and said, yeah, that's a good idea.
Here's a beaten path, not even a concrete. It's a beaten path to the resort next door. Let me take this. I don't know. Looks like I've been here before. Right. This looks familiar.
I said it looked different. That's why I knew I was lost, and I started
Four edges, but it's no point in even trying to get them together.
Press another one, like I'm wearing on the phone. I'm not telling you anything.
I'm fucking stressed out.
Where am I?
I do see some other people that are supposed to come. We'll see. I'm starting to have cramps. We're gonna see how today goes, cause good morning. Cause I just don't know. I really don't.
You should have brought the speaker though.
Good morning.
Good morning.
To do what?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I love this outfit, by the way.
Hola, Kubanji is here.
It's me. I'm here.
I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, we all have. Gracias.
She got lost.
You should have known that. let me see the driver, so we can go.
Okay.
We complete that. Here. Hey.
Titty hurt. Jesus.
You see all the parts now. You can't never find a part when you try to walk it.
Okay, so we have made it to the skate park today. They have like so many different things that you can do here. I really want to get in the cenote. So when you come in, it's like this. You get a ticket and everything. I'm looking for a trash can. Excuse me. Please scan code for information. Excuse me. No, it's not a trash can. It's a recycling. What I tell you, some people. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, here it is. I hate when people don't throw trash away in the right thing. Okay. So, yeah, my knee is still pretty messed up, but oh well. Okay, I want to get the map. Yeah, she's in line over there.
Okay.
I guess getting whatever other thing she needs. Another wristband or something. Okay, so they have QR codes here for the place. And then luckily it's on Google Drive. So, but do they have the Wi-Fi? Yeah. Okay, so when you come in, they have like this store inside and you can get all the stuff you need. I'm getting some water shoes right now to see if they fit. Let's see. Somebody get this girl some roaming data.
It's not even that.
Yeah, I'm on 3G right now, and I'm like, oh, honey, you gotta get with Verizon, the best network in the world.
Oh, did you move my stuff? Where?
Well, she can read.
Almost like somebody else.
Jesus.
Oh, okay.
Everybody needs to calm
I took a
down.
picture of my locker so I wouldn't forget. I just snapped a photo.
I'm just gonna put the keys in till it fits. Okay, so as you can see, I had a wardrobe change, so I didn't really think my day through. I was, in my mind, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get here and I'm going to the cenote. I'm about to jump in the water. I'm gonna be wet all day.
You were thinking that?
Yeah.
That you were going to jump in?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I thought that's what I was gonna do first. I didn't realize there was a schedule to the day. Like, we can only eat lunch at 11 to, or something like that. So I'm not missing lunch again. So, oh my gosh, 1:40.
Be specific because it's not working. I'm about to get upset.
Oh, let's just come do it at this point.
This is a mess. So anyway, back to my outfit. So I bought this inside and I bought some little shorts. My booty needs to breathe. It's very sweaty.
Excuse me? Where's my
You have to relax. You have to relax.
Calm down.
That's where I put my stuff. So I'm like, what are y'all doing? Taking my shit
Inside the locker?
Yes.
Now, how would they get in?
Because I never locked it.
Oh,
So, oh, like that maybe she didn't lock it. And I just walked
got
over
you.
And I see somebody taking things out. Who said what?
That's Ola. Somebody cool that girl off because she's ready to tussle in the dressing rooms. Anyway, I've got my drug of choice for the day, Red Bull. No Grey Goose today. That Grey Goose had me loose.
Period.
I had to edit some of my photos this morning. Let me show you what I got. I was like, oh, I forgot to suck that stomach in. That's all right. Nothing little Facetune can't fix. I got it together, girl. These are what's going on the gram. I'm thinking I should release them throughout the week. All right. The captions here. Swing the stress away.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then we've got this one. Wait. Where's the vibrant ones? Here we go. This.
That's the
This
money
is-
photo. That's the money
Yes.
shot.
So I don't know if
I
this
took
should be
that
the
one.
You
Yes,
did.
I
You
did.
did.
I did.
You did. And I was
That's
like,
the
how
money
did yours
shot.
come out better? But then I'm like, okay, should I start with this? No, I should end with this.
Then fun.
And this one. He did all right with that one. But I'm gonna have to talk to him like for the future. This is why, only certain people's Instagrams pop. because they don't know. I don't know. So I've got some photos. You guys will be seeing them on the gram.
Y'all ready? Getting ready.
I'm Kiara. Hey, good. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
32 years, that's a long time. That's almost as old as me.
32 years, man.
I see it runs in the family. All right, so we are off to have some adventures. I feel like I'm missing something.
Where is Taylor? She's right up here. Okay.
Oh, they've got the parrots and everything. So there's a playground over here.
I should have did what Taylor did.
What?
Just sat down.
Oh, here she is. She's over here. You guys, look up there. That's like part of the zip lining. I don't know if you can see it. I kind of feel like I should switch my camera to 4K. But I probably won't. It takes up way more space. I only have one memory card with me. I cannot find my memory card book. Okay, so they have the Zipline, Eco Splash that way, Parrot Island, Monkey Island, Iguanaland, Hoya, Azul, and a bat cave. Y'all already know how I feel about bats after Austin,
Oh,
so.
yeah, see him up there. It's open.
No. Okay, so we can't put our, we can't bring our bags with us to the zipline thing. So I have to go put my bag up and then come back and retrieve it. This is annoying, but you know, whatevs. So I'm gonna go pick this stuff up and then go meet the girls back in line. It is toasty. Okay.
He has to breathe up here in a bit. Okay, okay, Kiki. Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
So we just finished the zip lining. Excuse me, it's time for lunch. I got my bag. Okay. It's so toasty. There's a big group. I'm not waiting for everybody. I'm hungry. Going to lunch. We're gonna eat. Have a good time. And relax. I'm so thirsty. Oh, I wanted to see if they have a phone charger or something. Let me check. I see a bar, but ain't nobody at it. Okay, so it's a buffet style spot. Let's see what they have. So thirsty. I can't wait to sit down and drink my water. Okay. Okay, so you come in this place. It's like empty right here. I guess it used to be a buffet, but COVID, no. So they have Caesar salad, grilled chicken Caesar salad, spicy, sweet and sour chicken wings, fried chicken strips, a chicken burger, a beef burger, hot dog, grilled chicken breast, looks like with fries maybe, and ribs. I want some ribs. With french fries, white rice, grilled vegetables. I don't know if it's because I'm farther from the beach or what, but my camera hasn't really been fogging up today. So I had the ribs, another bottle of water, and a Sprite. I just want a little bit of bubbly. I know I shouldn't be drinking Sprite while I'm out here, but whatever. I'm on vacation. So I think it was $17 total. You can pay in card. So here, okay, so what we did was we went on the website for the resort and it had like attractions listed. So from there you could book your thing. So it's an all-day excursion. So we leave here at 5. It'll probably take like an hour or so to get back to the hotel. I really hate when people do that. So I'll turn it off because it's gonna get flagged. Alright, so I made a bad decision.
Looking like fish chicken.
So I had to go fix it.
Chicken fish.
They brought me some with mine. Oh, look at the ribs too. Let's see what she thinks of them. Now they're funny. Like,
I can go get you some. What you need to get?
I don't know. They have them wrapped up in a napkin.
You grab me one too, please, Stella.
So, eating. I want to go ride a hammock through the salt thing. Don't you?
Cave excursion?
Well, I don't want to go through the caves. I just want to do the swim. Yeah, right here.
Don't you have to go through the cave to get to it?
I don't know. Thank you. Tomorrow.
You finished?
Yeah, you can take that.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it. What kind of sauce is this on the side, I wonder? I ain't got no American hot sauce.
I saw sriracha. Yeah, it's some sriracha right there.
That is not hot sauce. I see some Tabasco though. Yeah. That might work. It's probably gonna need some salt too, quite honestly.
Not chicken Orpheus. They look like chicken thighs.
It tastes like
Hello.
They said, wait, Raven's mom told them that the cruise ship shipped over.
Found out it was a banana boat. I said, Mama, that is not the cruise ship.
She said the cruise ship flipped over?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she told people I fell off the cruise ship. Either way.
Oh, really?
What did you tell her? Whatever you told her, she said it happened on the cruise
told her I
ship.
fell off a banana boat.
Okay, yes. And she said Michelle fell off the cruise ship. And I was like, oh my gosh, what happened? She was like, I don't know. Is it easy to fall off? I said, no.
Is it
I said, you gotta jump off or somebody gotta push you off.
Let's see you guys.
Questions. She been asking questions. No.
This
was years ago.
Ain't no way.
You wouldn't be back with us.
That's what it was. She said Michelle fell off
On the way down, I already know it's over.
So I was
This
like,
is how it
I
is.
said, I was like, did somebody rescue her? I was just trying to find out.
And I can't trade one. Give it up. You're supposed to take them boats to live down.
Right. It's okay. It's not bad. Because I remember I was scared about that too. And Rob was like, girl, you can't fall off the ship. These people are jumping. And people pushing.
Okay guys, so I'm back. So my phone is on 7%, but luckily, because we're in a group, several of my friends got some footage. So y'all were able to see the other stuff. I didn't get any in the cenote that they have this thing called cave swim, and there's like a cultural route. It was pretty cool, but I didn't want to get anything wet, and everybody's like phones and stuff are dying. So I don't know. I'm wondering if my friends made it yet. It really wasn't that bad of a walk. Let's go see. So we just are zip lining like every activity. Stinks. So I learned that the Taino people who were indigenous here they go, who are indigenous, they worship these different deities. See? They were polytheist animists. Hey.
I ain't know she had to tell me something shit.
So it's just beautiful. And so they give you all these facts, different stuff about the different people. It's pretty cool. So I went around the whole thing, learned some new things. Ola went with me. I learned a little history. So now I have more information if I ever go on a game show. Okay. So there's one last attraction that we didn't see. One of the things was closed, so we didn't do that. But like we have done everything.
Why you still got this desk on?
For the thing.
Oh.
So when we
you
go
got
to
a new
the
one?
no, this is the one I took from the cave.
Oh.
But in case I want to jump in the water at the next place. Right, I decided to keep this. Oh, let me back it on up. All in my face. So this is Monkey Island. There's little monkeys running around. I wonder if we can see. They were just hanging out. It says don't touch them. Oh, see. So it looks like they're about to get fed. They know what time it is. That's how it be when it's lunchtime too. Oh, goodness. Okay. Look at that big old snake in there. It's like an albino. And yeah, right here.
Oh. Oh. I was looking for a brown. Oh, hell no.
There's a brown one on this side.
It's huge. I don't feel sorry.
That one's smaller.
I don't feel sorry for him.
Look, wild orchids. It's a sanctuary.
I just don't need to see them.
Orchids are a flower.
No, animals.
Oh, you don't need to see the animals.
Yeah, I don't want to see the animals.
Oyster plants.
I already saw that.
These are pretty with the purple leaves on the bottom side. They look like agape right there.
Each one looks like agape? At least they made the route scenic.
Yeah, lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Who's that back there? Oh yeah, that's probably the little office. I remember seeing that, passing it on the way in. Okay, so we have made it. So there's two things you can jump or something else. Then go through the cave. Okay, I think this is where you can swim through the cave.
No, tío, porque es que mira, lo que cierra temprano son los cosas de la piscina. Pero la piscina, tú te puedes quedar ahí. Porque tú te acuerdas, tío, cuando cerraron la casita que te caen la cabeza en la piscina. Eso, ahí no me sacaron. No, es que, o sea, papi.
It did. Good. Okay, you guys. I don't know if I'm brave enough. We're about to do something. Oh no.
Creo que el padre tiene una cena de gala. Vamos a tirar, de la vez, y si le gusta bien.
It's beautiful. It's like they were just born in water. Push it. I said it's like they were just born in water. They just slide so easy. We getting all the bloopers.
Well, I'm just letting you know.
Come on, Kiki. Just jump out. He threw the float out.
Am I moving? Am I moving?
Let me try. You conquering all your fears, Ola. Go ahead, Kiki.
This was a great time. Look at the cake. Oh, look up.
Look up.
Let me come closer.
Please do.
I want you to zoom in while I play. That's gonna be a good thumbnail.
Zoom in. Okay.
¿Ahorita la cerveza allá para la fiesta?
Okay. Did you hear me?
What?
I want you to zoom in while I float.
Now, how the hell do I zoom in?
You see the two? It's like a bar kind of at the top. Or you can do it from a thing in your hand. That stick in your hand.
I found it.
You found it? Okay.
You got 5 minutes, girl.
Okay. That's good. You can turn it off.
Okay.
Thank you.
To jump, like, you know how some places have the like waterfall and you could jump in from like the cliff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I did think it might be like that somewhere. But
I've never done that before. So I
but
would
the
love to do
waterfall, the water was shallow over there at that little thing. So yeah, that was fun. 49 feet of water. That's how deep that thing was, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the lockers, get all of our stuff, and head to the front because that's it for the day. So thanks again, you guys, for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna have this as a vlog to continue, or if it's just gonna be a skate park day short mini vlog. But I hope, yeah. We had a really good time. I think everybody had fun. We tried some different things. I've never been in a cenote, so that was cool. I was nervous, y'all saw, about jumping in that shit. It's the jump. It's just like, I'll do it, but somebody got to make me do it. I'm trifling, huh? So after a long, adventurous day, doing all kinds of stuff, we are gonna go to the big pool and just kind of hang out there. Oh, I didn't even notice this over here. Okay, so I put back on my favorite thing, you know. The people drying their towels like they can't get more than one. I guess they care about the environment. Okay, so I just want to hang out for a little while. Don't have much time. It started raining. And hi, good. How are ya? And they are having not they. We are having dinner tonight. So it is just dead at this hour. The pool is open till 8. Having dinner over there. So pretty. This is the pool. I don't think I showed you guys. The restaurant where I have breakfast, and another pool bar, and the beach is right there. Another hot tub. They've got all kind of stuff. I love it. I need to pull up my converter. For like the conversions, because you know they're on the other system. Okay. Well, you guys can watch me play in the pool until my camera dies.
Yeah. Where are they?
I mean, like in the restaurant. Like I got my meal for the wine last night.
Oh.
So good. Huh?
I guess I don't need shades.
I got to live what I got. I got the one. Drive me out of my mind. You know